All right, so if you need a heater for your RV, or maybe a place that doesn't have a heater, for example, there's a lot of bathrooms, industrial bathrooms that don't have heaters, water heaters, and this is pretty much what you get. You get an adapter, right? You get the actual adapter splitter here because this is where the main water goes in, the blue, because you see blue goes in there. There's also a draining hole, all right, because it is going to pressurize and it's going to have to let some air bubbles go out. So drain is going to be used for the drain. Water goes in, hot water comes out. Depending on your usage of the hot water, this is pretty much what we're going to test out. All right, we're going to open up the valve and close it, and this is going to be hot water instantly. Now we are going to connect our line here, and it does require power because of course the heater comes with a maximum to minimum. All right, if you guys can see, it's a knob, minimum to maximum. You get this valve, they give you plumbing tape. All right, it's necessary as you start seeing leaks, stop the water, then you plug it in. Right now we're going to try to keep this elevated away from the power so you guys can see how it works, and we're going to test it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Here goes the water. There's the water coming out. Let's test out how hot it is. It's warm, so let's see how hot it is. Let's put a thermal camera. So as you can see, this is the hot water that we're getting right now out completely. And this is my hand here. You can see the water, how hot it is. It is getting hot. And right now, it's not too hot, but you can see how warm it's getting. So the cycle of water thing is working very well. I'm going to turn it off so I can talk a little bit more. The benefits about having this. This is perfect. It takes about maybe a couple minutes before you'll start feeling it. And right now I do have it on max. So, but you can see the hotness of the actual water on it. And of course the coldness. Look at that. So let's turn it off. Of course the drainage, if you guys can see, make sure that there's no obstacle, it's not bent. And then of course I had a valve here where you guys can see the hot water was coming out. It's still warm, but hot water was being pushed from cold water to hot water, and you got the controller there. If you put hot, it's gonna get extremely hot. So my recommendation, start warm first so you can understand how much heat you're gonna need. Now this is gonna take about like a minute to cycle the water and get all the air out. Once it starts going, it starts heating up really quick, really fast. Now I did use this valve so you guys can understand that this could be anywhere. It has hanging hooks in the back. You could have warm and cold at the same time, so you could split this line, intercept this line. They do give you another valve to intercept the line and have a splitter to the two lines. So very simple out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy the video.